the broken rib stitch pattern. Hi, I'm Kristen and welcome back to my channel, Studio Knit. This broken rib knit stitch pattern is an easy series of knits and purls. Here on the right side, we have our design. And when we turn it over to the wrong side, it's a 2-for-1. We have the sand stitch. I have a video on that. So whichever texture you'd like, you can show off either the right or the wrong side. In this easy 2-row repeat, the texture has columns of alternating stockinette and garter stitch patterns for a unique twist on the basic rib stitch. If you like easy to memorize knit stitch patterns like the broken rib, please like up this video. It really helps me out, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Studio Knit so you never miss a video. For your materials, use any yarn and appropriately sized knitting needles. Of course, you'll also want scissors and a tapestry needle. This pattern is available on my website totally for free. It's also in my Knit Stitch pattern book, available both in printed and a digital ebook version. I'll have the link to that below. And you'll see here in the broken rib stitch, we have a full color photo, the knitting chart, how to knit flat and in the round. And then here's the sand stitch, which is what you also are creating, but it's on the wrong side of your work. So let's knit it up. We begin by casting on in multiples of 2 stitches. And then once you have the number you'd like, add 1 additional little stitch at the end. On row 1, we are knitting all stitches. So we just knit every single stitch all the way down the row. And here we are on the right side of the work. So when we're done, the pattern is going to appear on the right side of your work. At the end of your row, just keep on knitting. And then it's time to switch to row 2. So just turn your needle and we'll get started on row 2 here. We are starting with a purl stitch, P1. So make sure that yarn is in the front. Purl 1 stitch, bring your yarn to the back, and knit 1 stitch. We're repeating the pattern between the asterisks. That's those little stars there that you see up above. And so we're just continuing to P1, K1, purl 1, knit 1, all the way down the row. So here we are getting to the end. We're purling 1 and we're knitting 1. And remember, we added that additional little stitch. And so we are just going to purl that final stitch to complete the broken rib knit stitch pattern. And just continue knitting this pattern until your knitted piece is the length you desire. I hope you are inspired to give this easy 2-row knit and purl texture a try. If you haven't done so already, please check out my Knit Stitch pattern book, both in print and digital ebook versions. And I will see you here next time. Bye!